5.49? Bro, really? Do you record your hero win rates with the app? Yes. I've been doing it since like I started playing. Dude, I don't really trust in the 3-on-3 though. I feel like this 3-2 Murloc is too good to sell. Chef is good. Just Chef Hero Power then. Oh, I actually got it. Okay. Oh, there's 2 other Nagas. Okay, I can't do that. Don't do it. Oh, thank God. Did I buy Chef's Choice first and then Hero Power, by the way? What if I got Edwin, buddy? Is that an order lol? You Gamba, did someone redeem it? Oh. You can redeem it. Don't be so selfish. Use your points for the greater good. Get it up to a Papa Bear. Oh, I don't want to though. I just want a good 6-drop. Or Sea Witch. I'll take a Sea Witch. Or Ravager. Or Varian or Moira. What do you think about Synthesizer Hero Power? It was decent. It was maybe better, honestly. 100% tie, and we take it. Thank you, Chief and Chat, for providing a community where someone can feel comfort and chilling vibes. Oh, you're welcome. Thanks for the compliment. Hope your real life is okay. Real life is like BGs. You have bad days, but then the next day is a good day. Just toss Lifing. Dude, I'm not tossing the Lifing. Lifing is literally a 6-drop and a 7-drop. I'd rather have a Lifing than these 7-drops, man. Oh, I got a beast. Nice. If I roll with the lease, I could get a 7-drop next turn. Yeah. Why not evolve something? I could evolve Lifing, but I feel like I'd rather have a Lifing than a random 6-drop. Why would you want Lifing for next turn? The better question is, why would I want a Silverhand recruit for next turn? Okay, fine. But it's definitely correct to not evolve it last turn. Like, it's definitely great. This is the result of Exion's backseating. Groundbreaker. Groundbreaker. You pivot? I'm not pivoting to Nagas. I'll just stay down. Oh, Rylac. Okay. I know what. Oh, now I'm dizzy. End of turn. What the f. Okay. What? Oh, okay, okay. Ah. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9. It's kind of a lot of cards. Hey, give me that. You don't need it, man. You don't need it. No. I kind of threw positioning. I probably should have played around that. Oh well. It's not a big deal. Dude, this is so tragic. It doesn't matter how high roll your game is. If you don't find Bran, it's not even good. If you don't find Bran, it's not even good. Don't hit left, man. Okay. So where is the Bran then? So where is the Bran? Where the fuck is the Bran? This music, man. I have golden 6 drops, but it's still bad. Like, it's still bad. I'm not even for the sake of it's actually bad. Like, I'm generating 10 cards every turn, and it doesn't even matter. Like, it doesn't even matter. Did he have a brand? No. That's why he died. Oh, GG then. Yeah, sorry. GG then. Should I keep this combo? Bro, what are we OFCing? I'm keeping the Rylak. Did I find anything I could play instead of the Rylak? I don't think I had an opportunity to sell the Rylak, right? Whatever, it can stay, like I don't care. Honestly, if I end on this with the poet, isn't that so cool, by the way? Maybe I should end on this. Elemental 6 triples. What? 6 triple elementals died to ghost? What the actual heck?